Hi, I hope everyone is well. So the goal of this video is to introduce the remainder or modulo operator in JavaScript. This operator will divide the value on the right by the value on the left and then return the remainder which is left over after performing the division. If the value on the left is positive, then the return value will always be positive, and if the value on the left is negative, then the return value will always be negative. Let's have a look at some examples. We'll start by using this operator with 27 and 2. So 2 goes into 27 13 times. So we get 1 returned as the leftover or remaining value. When we use the operator to see how much is left over when we place 2 into 100, we get 0 because there's no remaining value. Let's try to perform another calculation, but this time with a negative value. We'll see how much is left over when we place 3 into negative 10. Negative 1 is left over because the value on the left is negative, so the return value will always be negative. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to the remainder operator. Please like and subscribe for more videos.